What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's an exciting day. I become a true Los Angelino. I have an appointment today to get some lip fillers. I'm really stoked about this. Well, a lip filler for my car, that is. All thanks to our friends over at EV Base. They were kind enough to send me a really cool, affordable front lip kit for my Tesla Model 3. Let's go unbox this thing and get it installed and see what the hype is about. Y'all thought I was going to get lip fillers? Come on. And if you haven't checked out EV Base, they are another amazing one-stop shop for Tesla accessories, S3, XY, Highland, Juniper, Cybertruck, anything you need, they got it. Be sure to check them out. All right, out of the box, you're going to have the necessary hardware, and the lip comes in 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. And they're going to attach via screws, so let's get in here and check this bad boy out. Before I unwrap this, I want to be sure to let you guys know that it comes in a few styles. You're going to have matte black, gloss black, matte carbon fiber, and gloss carbon fiber. So I decided to go with a matte carbon fiber because the rest of my car is matte carbon fiber. So I just wanted the aesthetics to go. And I mean, this doesn't look bad for 100-something bucks. It's gonna be cool. I'm already hyped. Let's unwrap the other 2 pieces and I'll give you guys a closer look. All right, the lip is gonna come in 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. And on the inside, it's going to have some 3M tape, which is great to help adhere to the car. The middle piece doesn't have any 3M tape. I'm going to add some myself for extra security. EV Base was kind enough to give us some, which is always a nice thing to have. So let's put this together via screws. I believe it's 4 screws, and let's get it on the car. You're going to get your extra 3M tape, your adhesion promoter wipes to help 3M tape stick, and these screws to connect the front lip together, and these screws to put the front lip into the OEM holes onto your Tesla. 2, 4, we have 6 screws, so we have 4 for the lip and 2 to attach the lip to the car. All right, now I got the 3 lip pieces attached to each other. Now I just have to add some 3M tape on the bottom and top of this middle lip, and then we'll be ready to put it on. So I'm going to do 1 whole strip along the bottom, and then I'll show you guys in a second what I decide to do. And on the top. For the top of the lip, this is how I applied the 3M, just like that, and then you have a split here in the middle, and then I continued on to the other side. And this is the added 3M on the bottom of the lip. Another great thing about the kit is that it can just clip in with your OEM clips, so no added extra clips, no really drilling or anything like that. So we're going to take out our OEM clips on the bottom of the car here and put the lip on. Okay, so underneath my Tesla Model 3, I have 10 clips in the front. I'm only going to be using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm only going to be using 8 of those 10 OEM clips. I mean, even with it chilling just now, it looks freaking sick. Wow. I'm hyped. This is going to look insane. You're going to be taking off the first 2 clips. 1, 2. Leave the third. All of the middle, and the same on the other side. Now all of our OEM clips are out. Next up, we are going to want to clean this with some alcohol or a cleaning solution to make sure there's no dust so that the new front lip will adhere properly and last for a long time. All right, now that my front bumper is clean, it's time to install the new front lip. In order to help adhere properly, I'm going to add some of the adhesion promoter so that it stays on there. Let's get to it. When you start taking off the tape for your front lip, you can pull it off halfway, you can pull off all the way, it's just personal preference. I have run into a little dilemma. I have grill covers on my car, so I'm gonna have to take those grill covers off before I put this lip on. There we go. Nice, nice. Okay, we are in business. Adhesion promoter. I haven't even seen the full effect of this yet, but I'm so stoked with what I'm seeing right now. Now time to put the clips in. Man, this looks incredible. Thank you to EV-Base for sending this over. This is what my car needed to take it to the next level. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you want one, there's always a discount code for you, M3 Jazz. Feel free to use it. Like always, be blessed, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.